Do you want to build a clean looking gaming PC for $650? Let me show you a white build using an RTX 5060 that can play all of your favorite esports and AAA titles. Using new and used parts, this PC looks and plays really well. Let's get into it. Our CPU is the i5-12400F. This is a 12th gen Intel processor with 6 cores and 12 threads. It's based on a modern architecture that can play games really well. However, its $100 plus price tag is not really justified. In fact, I would recommend, instead of going for this, go for the Ryzen 5 3600 for $60. For $80, I've got myself a B660M motherboard with an LGA 1700 socket. Overall, it's a nice looking board in good condition with PCIe slots, 4 RAM slots, and just connectivity features that work. Hey, it even has USB-C. To cool our CPU, I've bought a Thermalright 240mm AIO that only costs $45 over on Amazon. It's got a decent pump and 2 fans on a radiator, so it should cool our CPU pretty well. Now, here are where things start to get really tricky. This is a 16 gig kit of DDR4 and it costs $60 right now because of the RAM shortage. As you can see, the prices on these are crazy. They start for $60 for a good kit. Along with the RAM shortage, SSDs have also increased in price. For $40, you can now get a 500GB SSD, which is not a very good price, but there is no way around this. Luckily, power supplies are not in shortage. I was able to pick up this Superflower 650 watt power supply for just $30 on my local Facebook marketplace. For $50, I bought a Fractal Design Define 7 case with 2 140mm fans. It's white and silver and it looks pretty good, so I decided to use it in this build. Alternately, get any other white MATX case. The fans that I'm using are extra. You don't need to go buy these fans. These are just fans I had lying around. There are just some RGB fans. I may or may not have forgot to record the 5060 that I'm using in this build, but here it is. This is not great footage, but it was $270. Well, let's jump into the build.